Hey guys, welcome to Habanero Bears Express tutorial. Today I'm going to show you quickly how to go ahead and screen capture or record your gameplays on a computer. Here we go. Go to Streamlabs, OBS. Right here, first one you click, you download, you go through it, you install it. Okay, once you install the program, what you're gonna have is gonna look something like this, except it's just gonna be blank over here. Now you have to go to the settings, you go to output. Okay, right over here, I would keep it simple. For saving time's sake, I'm gonna keep this right here so you guys can just look at it and copy it. Now over here, you're gonna choose where you want your videos to be recorded and where you want them to be saved. You press done. Now what you're gonna do first is go ahead on this bottom left sign, you press this add button, you press add scene. I already have scenes here, so I'm just gonna cancel, but you go ahead and create it, and then you come on the sources and you press the plus sign over here. You do display capture or game capture. You go ahead, you press add source. I already have that on because I'm recording at this moment right now. And once you have that, you're pretty much all set. You're just gonna go ahead over here, press the record button, and you start recording. Now if you guys have any questions regarding this video or any other video, feel free to jump into my stream. I'm gonna put the information in down below and ask me any question you like. Thank you so much guys, and I'll see you guys next time.